Hey Rob, what are we up to? Ripping apart my dining room wall?
Oh man, I don't know what you did, but
Yeah, so we've got a leak in this wall. It's my dining room wall. And Rob and I are plumbers, right?
Yeah,
we went to high school together like, what, 40 years ago? We took plumbing, but now
I don't know.
we got to reframe this wall. So we're tearing apart my dining room wall. We're trying to see what we're up against. And it ain't going to be good. So when we're not fixing cars, this is what we're doing, some stuff around the actual house. And we'll film some stuff along the way, show you guys what we're up to. We've been diving into this to see how much destruction and chaos we got to replace. Okay, so we got the sheetrock off, and this is what Rob and I uncovered. This, as we thought, this wall is all rotted out, so we're gonna have to reframe this thing. And you know, my house is pretty old. It's from 1959, and I knew there was a leak in here for a little bit. So we're gonna rip this all down and put up a new wall. And we're doing that pretty soon, sooner rather than later. And the power is shut off, so it should be all set. It's literally always something when you own a house. Always fixing something, but it'll be good when this wall's all set and it's nice and airtight in this room again. It's watertight, and we wrap it all up, and we'll take some more video as we go along here.